Hey folks, how y'all doing today? If you've been here for a while and you watched a couple of videos, I appreciate you being here. If you ain't subscribed yet, do that for me. Today we're going to be looking at a little storage solution that I got off of Amazon. It's going to be this Duratech. It's kind of like your pack out. At one point, I think they were going to have like more units, but for now, this is how it comes. And I like it. There's a couple of things that I wish was better, but it's not waterproof or anything like that. But if you have anything that you need to put down there, a lot of times when I like moving some of my drone stuff, FPV, some of the little tools and everything, I put it in here. You put all this together, snap it together, and you're good to go. You have the I can do it. I'm strong enough. You have the larger unit, and it has the individual compartments. The one thing that I noticed that I didn't see is, what did I do here? I think oh, no, we're good. Thought I messed something up, but it doesn't have the cross members or the cross pieces. That's the only thing that I don't like about it. But other than that, if you just need something to throw a couple of things in, maybe you want to use it for some tackle and all. But they do make tackle boxes that's modular as well. But yeah, I like it. It's $24.99 currently. But you can save $2.50 with the coupon. And also, I'm thinking about reaching out to them and seeing if I can't get a little discount code for you all. If I can, it'll be linked down below. And I'll link this down below. This will most likely be an affiliate link. If you want to click that and support the channel, by all means, please do so. Let me know if you used any of these, if you think you would use something like this. Again, you know, it's just one of those things I picked up. I think I got it back in August of 25, so I've had it for a while. And it hasn't broke or anything like that. It looked like the rod it pulled out a while ago, but it didn't. So we're good there. And yeah, if you need something like that and you want to use some of these for your bigger, more expensive units, like your pack out or, you know, your mod boxes or whatever you have there, it would be good for you. And that's all I really got to say about those. It's a storage box. Store stuff. Put it somewhere. Ta-da. Duratech do make some great tools. If you haven't checked them out, I'll suggest you come over here, click the Duratech store, and it'll take you over and show you everything they have, from welding equipment to hand tools and storage toolboxes and everything else. I'll reach out to them, see if we can get a coupon, and if not, I tried. But I appreciate you being here. Appreciate you listening. I swear these will get better. No one's told you. Know that you're loved, you're valuable, you're cared for, and you're necessary. And we will see you the next time.